Hey, alright, look, this is my car. No! Off my car! Off my car.
Excuse me?
This is my car? Oh, shit! No! Okay, this is my car. Alright. Don't, look, the insurance won't pay for this shit. Oh. Yeah!
No! Kelly Clarkson! The hop. Hop! Hop! Don't fall. Oh, God! I pushed him off. I pushed him off. Katie, pick the default gun that has the fucking light machine gun.
This one?
Does it have a target finder on it? No, that's the Scorpion! Are you kidding me?
I don't know what you're talking about. This one? Oh wait, too late.
The one that says Heavy Gunner?
I pity the fool.
The floor is
Yeah, I'm gonna make him shoot at me. Make him shoot. Easy. Easy. Run around him. Run around him. Oh shit. Oh god. Oh god, he switched his weapon! He switched his weapon! Nice.
I ain't never stuck my finger in a butthole I couldn't fit it in. Because if it didn't fit, I wouldn't be able to put my finger in the butt, you know what I'm saying? Your guy is making ooh sounds! Oh shit! Your guy was like,
behind you.
Delirious, for your dancing, you get a trophy. Here you go.
Oh, you get a trophy too!
Yay! Guys, this is my personal trophy I won before. Delirious gave me it, cause I gave him a trophy.
You want a box? Come on, you want a box? Come on. Oh god! Open the knife out of the way!
Charges acquired.
Damn it! Damn it!
Uh-oh, retard alert! Retard alert, class!
Oh yeah.
Good!
Clock about to expire.
Fuck with the shotgun. Look how bad this guy is. Oh my god, he sucks.
This kid's playing on one sensitivity. You can't hit
Just
shit.
quit Black Ops, please. Quit Black Ops. Just stop.
Do not. Okay, please don't fuck with my car. Damn it!
Yeah, cause I got it like that. Flow so smooth like I got it on tap. Yeah, and I'ma say it be a good night while I'm on my Yingling, while I'm drinking Bud Light. Can you get it when you miss me? Like I'm with whiskey, drinking Jim Beam. Yeah, baby, do you do it there?